All right, little Fernando would love to start off by greeting everyone.
Hello.
Pretty cheerful today. Now, he's a pretty polite little bird, so he's always insisted on asking the audience this next question. Bit of a mumble tower, you, but I do see some lovely smiles out there. Now, we pointed out his name. It is Fernando, but we do often call him Nando. He's picked up on this one, but it kind of comes out as a little bit of a tune. So do tell everybody, what is your name?
What's your name?
That's right. Hollers out his name typically when he wants a bit of attention from us, and it's usually to play his favorite game. Fernando's favorite game to play, I think you guys might know this one. Loves to be tickled, of course. Now, just like you and I, when Fernando is tickled, the response is a bit of laughter. It gets those chuckles out of him. He's our master of sound effects. He's picked up a few living here. First off, the sound that we make when we drink that nice cold glass of water. Some pretty good chuggles. He has learned some animal sound effects. So this is his impersonation of a pig. Bit rude, right? But we're not done yet. Fernando barks like a dog. Just not a very scary dog, of course. Now, he's obviously talented. His talents extend musically, loves to whistle, loves to sing, and his dance moves aren't that bad either. So let's see those moves today, buddy. All right, he's all warmed up now. He's ready to whistle for you. Keep in mind when he's whistling, it's different every presentation. I never quite know what's coming out of that little beak. He makes this up as he goes along. So we'll see what he has for you guys out here today. Well, there you have a very lovely Fernando original. Now, next up is his abilities to sing. He's definitely not the best singer. He's been working his hardest, but he's been learning to sing from his trainer. So we're honest enough to say we are terribly off key ourselves. That means he's picked up our bad habits. So use your imagination and let's hear what tune he has in store. You don't sing that bad, actually. So we are going to clear him up. All right, few good coughs. Now let's see what song he has in store. All right, does anybody know that tune? What's that? Oh, Canada, that's exactly what he's trying for. Well, why is that Fernando's favorite song? You're probably wondering. It's simply because he hatched here in Canada. He's very proud of that fact. So let's hear that again. Okay, he's just hamming it up at this point. I think he's done an excellent job. Give it up for Fernando.